workshop. I wish to convey ACW's sincere appreciation to the Lao Business Women's Association in its capacity as chair of AWEN, and to the International Trade Center for convening this important regional gathering here in Vientiane. I also warmly acknowledge AWEN focal points from across member states. Your presence reflects our shared commitment not only to advancing women's entrepreneurship in ASEAN, but also to strengthen AWEN as a credible regional mechanism capable of delivering sustained impact. For those of you who are not familiar with the background of AWEN, AWEN traces its origins to ASEAN's commitment to women's economic empowerment and was established under the ASCC, ASEAN Sociocultural Blueprint 2009 to 2015. Specifically, Action Line 8.6.III. Emphasize that because I think you will be quoting that portion in some of your documents, which called for a regional women entrepreneurs network to promote women's full participation in the workforce. The initiative was first announced at the 6th ACW meeting in 2007 and guided through consultations until the adoption of AWEN's terms of reference at the 11th ACW meeting in 2012. Since then, AWEN has grown into a key platform for national entrepreneurship associations and women-led MSMEs. It amplifies women's voices, contributes to policy dialogues, and supports MSMEs as driver of inclusive, resilience, and innovation. These contributions are increasingly vital as ASEAN navigates economic uncertainty, digital transformation, and post-pandemic recovery. This reflection workshop comes at a pivotal moment following notable progress, such as the development of the AWEN Strategic Plan 2025 to 2028, and the identification of priorities for organizational strengthening. We commend AWEN for approaching this process with openness and rigor. Reflection on governance, leadership, and institutional arrangements is essential for any regional network seeking long-term relevance and credibility. Strong governance enables clarity of roles, transparency, continuity across leadership transitions, and accountability to member and partners. For a regional network like AWEN, with a rotating chair and diverse national context, clear governance arrangements preserve institutional memory, facilitate collaboration, and ensure coherent collective action. Discussions on AWEN's possible formalization and legal registration are therefore timely and strategic, guided by AWEN's mandate, operational needs, and long-term vision. Any institutional or legal arrangement should strengthen AWEN's ability to mobilize resources, manage partnerships, and sustain its work over time. From ACW's perspective, AWEN is a vital partner in advancing women's economic empowerment and bringing grassroots entrepreneurship with regional policy processes. Continued collaboration among AWEN, ACW, ACM, SME, I hope you are familiar with all those acronyms, other ASEAN sectoral bodies, the ASEAN Secretariat and partners is essential to ensure coherence and synergy across economic, social, and gender equality agendas. AWEN should also continue to strengthen monitoring results and accountability through clear priorities, realistic timelines, and measurable indicators. ACW is confident that the next 2 days of discussions will build consensus, reinforce collective ownership, and lead to concrete commitment that will support AWEN's growth as a credible, influential, and results-driven network. ACW stands ready to continue guiding and supporting AWEN as it enters this next phase of institutional development. As we dive into the sessions, I encourage you to think both as visionaries and as architects. Let's be candid about our challenges and ambitious about our solutions. Our goal here is to walk away from this workshop with a roadmap that is practical as it is inspiring. Thank you very much and good morning, everyone.